is so exciting. We each have 2 slimes to show to you guys. I have Piggy Party and Strawberry Fields Cake Kit. And I have Crystal Cave and Pixel Dust. Let's get started. So I like this one. It's super good. The texture is an extra large flum. It smells like laundry detergent, to be honest. And I rate this a 10 out of 10. I love the texture and it's not that sticky. Now we're doing Crystal Cave. Let's open the slime. So I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's not too sticky and I like it so much and I rate this a 10 out of 10. Next, I'm gonna do Strawberry Fields. I rate this a 6 out of 10. It smells like a strawberry body splash. The color is like a purplish reddish. I'm not a big fan of the color. And that's why I give it a 6 out of 10 because it's like the color is just like weird. But it's super crunchy. Listen. Nice pops. We're gonna do Pixel Dust. New time. This a 0 out of 10. It's way too sticky. The texture, it hurts your hands, and it made a mess everywhere. Oh, I'm not gonna be so mad at us. Oh God. It's on my knee now. Well, that's the first. We're gonna have to throw away Pixel Dust. Thank you for joining us today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.